Hi, my name is Ray Oram, and I lead our account-based marketing efforts and industry marketing and communications at IBM. When I first started working with Seismic, I was in a sales enablement role, and I was part of the team that initially rolled out Seismic to the company. But I have since moved on into a marketing and communications role. And I think then I came with a little bit of bias, knowing more of what Seismic could do, but that helped to sort of break down some of the walls, both between marketing and sales enablement. But for us, it's been from both entities just to have a much better collaboration with sales. So as Seismic started to add a number of buyer engagement and buyer experience capabilities, we started to look at that as a unique value that we could bring to the field marketers working on our top accounts. And so we've taken advantage of digital sales rooms, but we've also made a lot of use of tiled to create interactive assets. And in this past year, we added live social to the mix as well. And it's really the combination of all three things and many other capabilities within Seismic that's letting us do things that used to take weeks, if not months, we're now doing in a matter of days and minutes. First and foremost, we needed to scale and scale quickly, and we took very much a template approach. So as soon as we saw something occurring in terms of use of the tools, I kind of say, hey, it happens once, that's interesting. If it happens twice, wow, that's really interesting. But if it happens 3 times, then we have a repeatable, and we create a template out of it, and that has helped us to scale pretty quickly. And so as an example, we probably have over 50 templates that people use, both for digital sales rooms and tiled assets. And we've grown from 0 going to over 500 interactive assets. We have 2,500 digital sales rooms. So on any given account, we have 8 to 10 active digital sales rooms all the time. So in addition to scaling the capabilities, it's all about how do we contribute to the business. So one of our key goals was to expand and get new relationships. And we are, by use of these tools, have actually surpassed our full year objective 9 months into the year. But then part of relationship building is do they repeat and engage with you in purposeful ways? And we look at a repeat engagement rate, and we are on track to double that year over year. And then there's a focus on a set of priority offerings, and we've seen by promoting those priority offerings through these means, we've been growing 20% faster with our set of accounts than the rest of the business. So we focus a lot on deepening our relationships, but that is a hard area to measure. And this again is where we start to see AI could make a real difference. And I always am drawn back to a really famous quote from Maya Angelou. People will forget what you say, people will forget what you do, but people will always remember how you make them feel. And so our goal, and the tools we're using now in buyer experience, is really getting to that, having a good feeling with respect to the relationships that we continually build with our clients.